So this is my latest book, a Bradel bound cased-in book made using the DAS Adventures in Bookbinding Bradel binding method. It has 160 lined pages. The text block is Church's bookbinding paper. Yeah. I think it's about 50-pound paper. I'm not sure the GSM. But it came out rather well, I thought, and I liked it. The spine covering is Nina packing paper, and I'll include a link in the comments. It's basically bookbinding paper. It's fairly inexpensive. It's about $1.95 for a 2x3 sheet. The little unboxing video. Sorry for the twitchy camera. Let's see what we got from Mulberry Papers today. And how do we open this? I wish they had sent it flat, but what are you going to do? Some paper for the cat to play with. Oh yes, isn't that lovely? These are all Indian marbled papers. Ooh, I like that very much. And this one, very pretty. Oh yes. Someday I'll have to learn marbling myself. Oh, and I'm recording. I would love to learn how to marble paper, but perhaps in the spring when it's warmer outside. Ooh, look at this one. Less colorful, but much patterning. Fabulous, fabulous papers.